to Smart Stranger YouTube channel. I'm your favorite Sharmata and this is my fourth vlog. It's my vaccination day and I already turned 18. I have to take my vaccination. So you're gonna come with me to take vaccine, Covishield. Okay, what else? It's gonna be very interesting, I guess. I don't know what's gonna happen. And it's already 7:45 in the morning. I heard that there is a long queue standing in our village panchayat near the school for the vaccine. I don't know if I will be able to get my vaccine today. I'm not sure about it, but somehow you're gonna take the vaccine today. And let's see what happens. And before getting into today's vlog, I'd like to recommend a YouTube channel called Tamil Science World YouTube channel. If you guys are very interested in science related videos, you'll get to know more videos in that channel. It's run by a little boy called Mr. X. And what else? He recently uploaded a video regarding COVID third wave, and do watch the video. The link of the video is in the description box. Please go check it out and support and show your love. I guess I covered most of the things that I wanted to tell, and I'm already getting late. If I'm still speaking to you, my dad will come and shout at me for not getting ready. I mean, I'm already half ready. It's just very simple outfit and I think it's more than enough. I just have to go have my breakfast and then go to get vaccinated. What else? Come with me. Let's go. To be very honest, I was really very nervous about it. I don't really like taking injections or vaccines, but I have no other choice. I really have to take it. But I was just trying to be cool, but I could not. You can literally look at my face and tell that I'm nervous. So finally, we are on the way, and the time is now 9:10, I guess. I think I have to stand in a long queue. Or else it would be better if I get a token there. So let's say, I don't know. The weather is quite nice. It's not very sunny. So friends, I'm back home. I'm so sorry for not being able to show the video of me taking the vaccine because photos and videos were not allowed. Also, there was a large crowd in that place, so I could not take any clear photo or pictures or videos. I'm so sorry about it. I really tried it, but I could not make it. Also, I took the vaccine in my village high school and it was not really a big deal. Really, believe me, it was not at all painful. And it was just like an ant bite. I don't know if you could see it in my left arms. I don't know, you can't see it right now, but it was not at all painful. I was so happy. I was so relieved. They just asked me to close my eyes. I did. And when I just opened my eyes, they were like, yeah, you're done. You can go. So it was that simple and easy. And I'm feeling quite alright. Nothing happened to me. I'm quite alright. So let's see what happens next. I'm not sure. But I feel kind of very sleepy right now. But I have some small work. I have to complete it. I have my academic work. I'll complete it and I'll take rest, I guess. So I'll meet you after my academic work. Bye bye. To be honest, I did not complete my academic work. I just slept like that. And after my lunch, I could not do anything. I had a really deep sleep. I slept for nearly 3 hours straight. I think I woke up only for dinner that day. That day I woke up at 7 or so. I slept the whole evening like a sloth. I took this after I woke up. And it was very tired. I felt very tired. So I woke up for dinner, but I still felt very tired and I had fever. I had high fever that night. It was really because of my vaccine and I could not even speak properly, and that's why I mute myself. I was really trying to speak something, but I could not speak properly. Also, one of my nose got blocked. I could not breathe properly also, and it's not that I'm crying in this video. My eyes just kept watering. I could not control it no matter what I did. After my dinner, I took paracetamol and I felt a bit better after that, and again I went to sleep. It was in the afternoon next day. I literally slept like a polar bear for a continuous 10 to 11 hours. and I still don't feel better. I had body pain and my eyes still kept watering. I had slight fever also. I think I need more rest. I also skipped classes for past 2 days. I mean, for the 2 days straight, but I could not skip my test. I had my last test of this academic year, basic electronics test, so I decided to do it in spite of my mom asking me not to do it. I don't wanted to do it alone later. To be very honest, I didn't prepare for my test, and my friends helped me throughout the test. I'm very thankful for my friends actually. Somehow I really completed my test and I'm done with it. I'm done. So I just wanna, I don't know what to do now. So I'm just sitting. I don't feel sleepy also, but I feel very tired. My body pains like something. I have full body ache. I could not do anything. I'm not really active at all. I feel very bad about it. Oh god, why am I whining like a small kid? It's my sister actually. She was really angry at me for not taking proper rest, and I'm on my phone. So she just threw this blanket over me and snatched my phone, and she just left. She didn't give me for nearly 7 hours. I could not take any more videos after this, to be very honest. So friends, I'm back again to my normal form. I'm feeling completely active. I'm feeling completely refreshed. I could speak so well. I'm really proud of that. And it's been nearly 2 days and 4 hours, I guess. It's 5:30. Yeah, it's been two days, 4 hours. So 52 hours since I took the vaccine. I had fever continuously for 2 days, and gradually the fever came down, and I had just body pain, and I'm completely all right. I just have slight pain in my arms right now, and other than that I have nothing. I'm completely all right. So this Covishield vaccine is 100% safe. You will definitely have symptoms as soon as you take the vaccine, but if you take painkillers or like paracetamol, you will be all right soon within 2 days, just like me. So what are you waiting, guys? Just go book. Just take your vaccine right now. Stay immunized and stay healthy. So do hit the like button, comment, and also share this video to as many friends as you can. What else? Don't forget to take your vaccine. It's really 100% safe, and you'll be immunized, and it's gonna be superb, and it's gonna be a great feeling once you are done with it. Believe me. I guess you can follow me on my Instagram page. That's ID Sharmata152. So that's it, my dear friends. So I hope you like this video. I'll meet you guys soon in the next video. Until then, tada, bye bye. See you guys. Love you loads.